Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the chapter nervous system in humans. Nervous systems in human. We already learned different type of systems in the body in the human beings, like a circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system. There are lots of systems in the human body that performing different type of functions. So here nervous system, how this nervous system helping to us, and what is the role of the nervous system, and what is the role of neuron, and what is the which parts and which organs helping to us to perform this system. So everything I will explain to you. Listen carefully. The first one, the nervous system consists of mainly three parts or three organs or three parts, that is brain, spinal cord, and the vast network of neurons. Neurons, otherwise we can call nerve cell. Okay. So what is mean by neuron? Neuron is a basic unit of nervous system. Basic unit of nervous system. So this system performing, that's mainly to carry the information into the brain and away from the brain. Okay, that I will give you some example before starting this chapter. We can easy to identify the hot or cold substance. While we are incidentally or accidentally touching this hot substance, we will react to that type of action. That means if you feel hot or cold, that brain will give the information. So how this brain or how the brain gets this type of information? This because in the help of the neuron. Okay. So the neuron or nerve cell consists of mainly three parts. The first one, cytone. The head region, this whole part including the nucleus is called cytone. That's the first part. Second part, this root-like structure present in that head area. That root-like structure and branch-like structure is called dendrites, and this main branches is called dendrons, and this extended part of the cytone, this extended part is called axon. Okay, these three parts in the neuron. So the neurons, mainly the main role of the neuron, carry the impulses. Impulse means messages. Carry the messages from one part into the brain. Then after the brain will be coordinate these messages. Then after send into the effector site. Okay, which part is affect. So here 2 points I inform to you and teach you. The first one, what is mean by what is neuron? And neuron is a basic unit of nervous system. And second one, the types and structure of neuron. The structure of neuron means there are three parts of in the neuron. The first one, cytone, and second one, dendron and dendrites, and third one, the external part is called axon. These three parts. Okay, and the main function of the neuron or nerve cell means carry the impulse from the different part of the body into the brain. Different part of the body into the brain. Then after, the brain will be coordinate the messages. What type of message it is, a cold or hot, and this type of information. After the identification of this message, the brain will give the message into the effector site in the help of neuron. This is the main role of neuron. So this topic all of you learn carefully. Thank you.